The combination is set to all zeros. When opened with the combination, no indicator appears. Now we lock it back up and we'll scramble the wheels. Notice that the key goes in with the 8 facing up. The indicator is still down. We're going to turn the key, press the button, the indicator pops out, showing that the key was used. We're going to close it back up to lock it, turn the key back into the initial position, won't open. Set the combination back to all zeros. When opened with the combination, the indicator is reset.